Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Safari on a Mac computer, improve your web browsing, the top 5 tips, quick tricks. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and a web browser. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. So as you can see, we loaded to the home page, which is google.com. That's my number one tip. Make sure you always have it that it loads to google.com or any other homepage of your choice. Saves time. You do not have to then search for Google to make a search. In order to make a search, go to the search box. We are ready to start making a search. So tip number 2, Command Q to exit away from Safari. Let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Safari. This saves us time as we do not then have to go all the way to the top of the navigation menu. Click on Safari, quit Safari, open up Safari, Command Q, quit Safari, go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Safari. Number 3, make sure you have favorites. Instead of us having to then search for the website like YouTube Studio or PayPal, eBay, we have it all on the top navigation menu. We can then quickly click on YouTube Studio or go to our Facebook like page. It saves us having to then search and click. Tip number 4 is to merge your windows. If we have a couple of tabs, let's just take these tabs out. Go to YouTube Studio. On one, on another we have Google. In order to merge the windows together, go to the navigation menu, go to Window, Merge All Windows. So now we have tabs, Google, YouTube Studio. Tip number 5, go to History, Show All History, highlight history, click on delete, and now that history is being removed off the system, so we can quit Safari. So in this tutorial, what did we learn? A how-to video to show you how to use Safari, improve your web browsing experience, the top 5 tips. Number 1, search function. Go to your home page, saves you time. Number 2, Command Q to exit. Number 3, have favorites, saves time. Number 4, merge the windows together. Number 5, delete your history. Improve your web browsing experience forever. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.